guys, today we have Samsung A70 loudspeaker not working properly and making noise, and it's very low. Let's just start heating the back with the heating gun. Then you can use the suction cup to detach the back plastic from the housing. This device has been opened before and not by me. The adhesive under it, the one who did that, making too much noise and chaos inside. You will see when I opened the plastic. You can keep heating, keep pushing that plastic so we can remove the glue. I hate when some people putting too much of that glue and making too chaos inside of the phone. Are almost done opening the back. We got there some antenna at the top and at the bottom. Be careful not to cut these antennas. After we remove it, let's take a look if something is damaged. We see that the bottom antenna is being cut, and it's obvious by the other repairman. You can remove all the screws. After that, we will remove the SIM card tray. Now let's detach the frame from the housing. I'm not being able to separate the frame from the housing. I'm noticing some glue stuck to the main board to that housing. Who did that? Why did he put too much glue? I could damage that board, so we have to be careful. The glue leaked to the main board and to the antenna. Let's try not to make any damage to the main board. Finally, we removed the housing. The ear speaker got out from its place. This is so strange. You can see the glow to that antenna. Prevent the signal. Remove the battery. Now let's remove the loudspeaker. This is the loudspeaker. The replacement should be easy. We take out the old one and then we install a new one. You can clean the housing first. Bring the new one. Put it in position and test. Alright, the sound now is very different. I had to remove the voice because it's a music, because it has a copyright. Anyway, the problem has been solved now. I'm going to assemble and that's it. If you have any questions, you can just write down in the comments below. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.